What's up guys, it's your boy Hima, and in this video I'm going to talk about the possibility of the fact that we might be still in a crash. We are in a crash since April, in my humble opinion. I'm going to look through the Bitcoin chart from the very beginning to right now, and to tell you guys what's going on and why you should not be entering the market right now. So without further ado, let's jump in. Alright, so I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart. So to make things easier for you, I've drawn a few things. In green, I've drawn the bear markets that we've had, like significant bear markets. And of course, you have the orange yellow color, which is a bull market. And of course, the red ones are the crashes that we've had so far. And I've only drawn this from 2013. Of course, there's way back over there. I'm not considering those ones in this analysis. So let's talk about the bear markets first. It's very simple, all right? A bear market is basically when, once we had a bull market, the asset or the security is having a consolidation. It's going through a correction, meaning that the values of the said asset is actually staying stagnant, and people haven't decided whether what kind of value that they should settle in for this asset. I hope I was clear, right? That was basically a bear market when there's less trading volatility, less trading activity. Most of the people have forgotten about the asset. Bitcoin went through two bear markets. All right, the first one is from January 2015 to April 24th in 2017. That's almost like a good 2 years. Keep that in your head. And the other bear market, the recent bear market that we had, was from February 2019 to November 2002. Right? So that's like a year and a half. It's not that bad. And the other ones is, when we compare the bull markets, the first bull market was 6 months, the second one was 8 months, the current one that we had was 5 months. Okay, and in all of these scenarios, we crashed for literally 1 year. In 2013 crash, and of course 2017 crash, we also crashed for a year. All right, and the current situation is, I think we are still in a crash, and it's almost gonna be a year in December. Of course, we started crashing in April. I think by the time it's next June, February, we'll be finished with the crash. I think still we are in a crash. Okay, so now what I want you to understand by this is, when you look into the charts, most of you look for 1 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour chart, but no, use weekly or monthly and look at the longer term, what has happened and what kind of time frame that we are in. All right, so I'm just basically getting this information from previous two crashes. I'm analyzing it. I'm telling you, we are in a similar predicament. Not same, a similar one, right? The other one is this thing right here. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can see it clearly. All right, let me get this one over here. It's a fake bull trap. All right. Oops. And in again 2018, we had a fake bull trap over here. And of course, look at this. I told you. In all my videos, I've been telling you that we will reach that 50k and then we'll come down. Okay, so this is why you should stay away from crypto markets for the time being. You always want to buy into when there's a bear market. You buy in during here. I bought my Bitcoin around the beginning of the bull market at around $15,000 when Bitcoin was trading at $15,000. Okay, you don't buy at the top. You specifically don't buy when it's crashing down. You can short the market, but you don't do it. All right, so if this theory is right, I have the video to prove. Let's see, by the time it's next March next year, we'll see a bottom out, and where we'll reach the 20k mark. Why? Because we had the top over here, this came up and pretty much stopped around this top, and we have a top over here which is $20,000. We'll go up, and then come down and settle in that top. And then I don't know how long the next bear market will be. Supposedly it could be somewhere around 1 to 2 years, but it's good. When there's a bear market, you could buy anything. That's when you shop. You don't shop in the bull market, you shop in the bear market. I hope I was clear. That's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, happy trading.